This video is a demo to generate a delay of 1 second. Using system timer, or famously known as SysTick timer of TM4C123G Tiva launchpad. As I said earlier, this video is just a demo. And the link of complete in-depth article is given in the description of this video. SysTick timer is a dedicated hardware-based timer which is built inside the ARM Cortex M4 CPU. It can be used to generate delay by using polling or interrupt method. The SysTick timer will generate interrupt after a specified time. And time settings can be done using the SysTick control register. This example code of SysTick timer generates a delay of 1 second. And to demonstrate this, we will turn on and turn off onboard green LED, which is connected with PF3 pin of the Tiva launchpad. This code uses a polling method instead of interrupt method to turn on LED after 1 second. As you can see inside the while loop, we keep polling the status of count bit of SysTick timer control register. Count bit becomes 1 whenever system timer countdown to 0. In the coming video we will see a interrupt-based method also. Now upload this code to Tiva launchpad. After that, click on Reset button of Tiva launchpad. As you can see, green LED is blinking with the rate of 1 second. For complete article and to download code, check the link given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. In next video, we will see a demo to generate delay with SysTick timer. But we use an interrupt-driven approach instead of polling method. See you with next video.